Hi. This week you're going to be turning in your description of your final project, and your final project is a discussion of a representation of a woman. Behind me is the Venus de Milo. This is a representation of a woman. It's not a woman, it's an artist's depiction of a particular woman. This, if you can see it, is a representation of a woman. See, she's got her little chef's hat on and her turkey. Over here we've got another representation of a woman doing exercises, I guess. Representation of the Virgin Mary. These are all representations of women. For your final project, I'd like you to choose one, maybe two, probably not more than that, but you're going to look for a representation of a woman. It can be in any form. It can be a sculpture like the Venus. It can be a painting like the art we're going to look at. It can be an advertisement. It can be a text, a piece of writing. How we could think about how Mary Wollstonecraft represents herself as a woman in a vindication of rights for women. But what I want you to think about is the choices that are made. In a representation, you're dealing with a few different things. First of all, what does woman look like based on this text? Second of all, what does the artist add to this representation? Because not only is this a depiction of Venus, but it's a particular depiction of Venus that has been influenced by an artist's particular training, aesthetic preferences, his own ideas. These are all things that you can consider in your discussion of a representation. So this week you're going to be turning in just a one-page statement that tells me what representation you choose to look at, what you think you might find, any preliminary research that you've done, and I will get back to you on those as soon as possible. I look forward to reading them, and I am also going to be posting on D2L just a comment about writing about representation. There's also a Word document that gives you some vocabulary and ideas to consider when writing about representation. I look forward to seeing your proposals and to discussing your projects with you at length.